One of the great features of the new Somfy Rollixo control panel is the ability to control the courtesy light independently of the garage door. Today I'm going to show you how to set that up on your SeceuroGlide garage door. First, remove the screw from the bottom of the Rollixo panel and then take the front cover off. Press and hold the program button until the light illuminates. Once the light illuminates, press the program button until it flashes 3 times. Once it's flashed 3 times, come to the keygo and press and hold the 2 outer buttons until the green light flashes. Use this to press and hold the button that you'd like to control the courtesy light with. Once the green light goes out and the program light goes out, you're able to use the courtesy light. You can now switch your courtesy light on and off whenever you would like. Simply press the button you have programmed in to turn it on, and the same button again to turn it off.